guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, hi, my name is Vivian, and in today's video I will be showing you how I achieved this look using the 24 inches European body wave sent my way by Vivaloveedamatiwigs. It is super lush. I do love everything about this hair, the texture, just everything. They did send me some goodies, some lashes, a wig cap, and all of that, and I can't overemphasize how soft this wig is. I like the blend at the very top. I do like the fact that it isn't just blonde. It has like dark roots, which actually matches, with my roots, and it makes it look even more natural just at the front. I do love everything about it. The one thing I would say is if you're looking to get this wig, it is a transparent lace and it does leave a lot of white cast. I feel like that was the one thing I did struggle with blending this wig to my skin, like my skin tone, because it left it all white at the front, and I literally had to do a lot of work on that. So if you wanted to get this, you could pre-order this and ask for it to be customized, or you could decide to use a HD lace instead of a transparent lace. But regardless of that, everything about this wig is super lush. I would be leaving the details in the description box. I do believe you can request for this to be customized via their website or through their email. And yeah, I'll leave all of the details in the description box. So without further ado, let's jump right in. I did use some new products that I have never shown on here, and the first one was the Wild Growth Hair Oil. I've been recently obsessed with this oil. Like, it does help my front hair grow, like literally. I don't know what is mixed with, but ever since I've been using it, and I do use this as well on my clients to lace their hairs and stuff. That is actually something I should put on here. But I do a lot of shorts, short videos about like my installs and stuff. Well, I should probably film one, have it on here so you guys can see. Well, this is pretty good. I did get this from the hair store. And the other thing the other product I obviously love, and I recently just added to my install game, and I've been killing it really with this, is the Ebin New York Wonder Lace Bond. I do love this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I do love it. I like the fact that it doesn't leave any residues like at the front, after you spray it on. It does leave your lace well melted. Like, it melts right into your skin. It's crazy. And I just love it. It does help too with like your edges. I do not really like to use this for my edges. I'd rather you just use the Got2b, which brings me to this guy right here. But so far I've been loving all these products, and they've been working like their magic, for both myself and my clients. And honestly, I do recommend it because they're really, really, really nice products. So yeah, I'm going on with my lacing now. I'm kind of just showing you guys what I do, like the entire process before getting to the final look. So enjoy. it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the entire process. I should do more of lace wig tutorials on here, and I will get to it. Just be patient with me. If you have been following my page or my channel for this long, you will know that I do have shorts. So if there's anything that you need to know about, like hairstyling or hairs in general, like hair extensions in general, you should check that out, because I do have valuable information on that. But I will try to do this more often. It is very time consuming, but I have missed it, and I honestly really should get on to do more of it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and for tuning into this week's video. Till I see you in my next video, stay safe and bye for now.